Hey everyone, I'm Michaela Peterson, Jordan's daughter. I recently did a podcast on the Michaela Peterson podcast with a really cool actress and producer named Jennette McCurdy. And in the episode, which I've linked below, she spoke about her extremely positive experience with Dad's self-authoring program. I told Dad about it, and he made a code, MP, for 15% off at selfauthoring.com and understandmyself.com in case anyone was interested in getting it for Christmas or for New Year's. Here's the clip from the episode where Jennette goes into her experience with self-authoring. And if you're interested in the program or gifting it, MP for 15% off.
You know, your dad specifically, but I would imagine, he's changed my life. I've done his self-authoring suite 3 times. I do it at the start of every year. Oh my God. I have given it as a gift to everybody that I know. I just think it's so helpful in terms of getting you in check with yourself, and it's the most realistic approach to accomplishing your goals and getting your life on track that I've ever seen. It's why would, you know what I mean? Why was I want everybody I know to do it.
Oh, that's cool to hear.
Yeah. I think it's so helpful.
I did self-authoring once. It takes a lot of self-discipline, I would say, to go through the exercises, because they're not fun per se, and they're not frilly. So to hear you've done it 3 times, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I literally have my filled out ones in my drawer in front of me because I read them frequently so that I stay on track. I mean, I take it very seriously. That's
such a good idea. So what are your goals then? What do you want to do?
I think I've done a pretty good job. My last ones were write a play was my first one. I wrote a play, didn't do anything with it, didn't like it. Better regulate jealousy, anger, and fear. That was a huge one.
That's hard.
I've come so far with that. They were really fucking hard emotions for me to regulate before. I just didn't know how to handle them. And I've taken a lot of actions, therapy and whatnot to try and get better at them. And I've worked really hard.
It's definitely helped me figure out what goals to focus on in my life. And I think it's really helpful regardless of what age you are. Thanks a ton to Jennette McCurdy for coming on the podcast.